Hello, children. How are you? This is your Vanashree ma'am back again, teaching area and perimeter in mathematics. Now, I have taught you the formula for finding the area and perimeter of square, rectangle, diagonal, paths around the rectangle and square, on the inner side as well as on the outer side, and also I have taught you area of crossroads in my previous classes. Okay, now today I'll start with some questions for you to practice, more practice questions. So these questions, if you solve, you will be really thorough with whatever I have taught till now. Okay, so solve these questions. I have given the answer for your reference so that you can refer and you can be sure that your calculations are correct. So take a rough notebook after I complete the class and solve these 6 questions and show it to me when school reopens after everything becomes normal. Okay, so now today we'll learn something new. So as far as square and rectangle is considered, I have taught you everything about square and rectangle. Today I will be teaching you about area of parallelogram and rhombus. They are also quadrilaterals, that is, they are also four-sided figures, but slightly different from rectangle and square. Okay, so today's topic is perimeter and area of parallelogram and rhombus. So first let me discuss what is a parallelogram and what is a rhombus. In a parallelogram is similar to a rectangle, but in a rectangle every angle was 90 degree, but in a parallelogram each angle is not 90 degree. Okay, the opposite sides are parallel and equal like in a rectangle. So if A, B, C, D, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Same thing in rectangle. Only thing is in a rectangle this each angle was 90 degree. Okay, that is the difference. So formula for perimeter is same as rectangle, but formula for area changes. Okay, here you have to consider the perpendicular distance between the two sides, opposite sides. Okay, and that is called height. That is called height, denoted by h. Okay, small h. So this is the length, denoted by L. This is breadth, denoted by B, like in rectangle, and then perimeter is equal to twice length plus breadth. This is similar to your rectangle, but area is equal to base into height. Means what? If you take AB as the base, then this EF is the height. So here in this case AB into EF. But suppose if you take the same parallelogram, say A, B, C, D. Now if you take BC as the base, BC is here, B we have taken. This was the length. Then the perpendicular distance between these two will be the height, h. Okay, so in that case, this will be, suppose this, if you name it as gh, then area will be base into height, that is BC into height. Depending upon the base, the corresponding height you have to take. Okay, so the perimeter does not change, because in the perimeter the concept of height does not come at all. Okay, so based on these formulae, let us solve some examples. Okay, here height is gh. Okay, is that clear? So now let us do some questions. Question 1. Find the area of a parallelogram whose base is 15 meter and altitude means also height. Altitude means height is 6.4 meter. Okay, so let us do this question. Now area is equal to base into height. So here they have given straight away base is 15, height is 6.4. So you have to simply substitute the values. So base into height, that is base is 15, height is 6.4. So area will be in meter square, right? So area is equal to 6.4 into 15 will be 15 fours are 60, 15 6 are 90, and this 6 carried over, so 96. So 96 meter square. Okay, now here they haven't asked the perimeter. If they would have asked the perimeter is similar to rectangle, 2 into length plus breadth, but here they have not given the breadth, so it will be difficult for us to find the perimeter. Okay, so for perimeter we need the length and breadth. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay, now one question you try as homework. Question 2. Find the area of a parallelogram whose base is 1 meter 40 centimeter and altitude is 60 centimeter. So you have to convert the base also into centimeter. So hint, base is equal to 1 meter 40 centimeter, means 1 meter is 100 centimeter plus 40 centimeter is, that is 140 centimeter, and height is 60 centimeter. So you can do it, and the answer that you are supposed to get is okay, they have given in meter square, so they have converted it in again into, otherwise you can write it as 8400 centimeter square. Okay. Now, if you want to convert it into meter square, then 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter. That is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Do you agree? Because 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So, that is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So, 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So, if you convert this 8,400 centimeter square to meter square, so you have to divide it by 10,000, right? So, this will be equal to 0.84 meter square. Okay? Now, the next question. Find the altitude. I told you altitude means height. Altitude is another word for height. Altitude of a parallelogram whose area is 54 meter square and base is 12 meter. Okay, so area is given, base is given, you have to find out the height. So area is equal to base into height. So height is equal to area upon base, isn't it? This height will go and divide because it is multiplying here. So height or altitude is equal to 54 upon base is 12, right? Yes. So 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, 3 fours are 12, 2 twos are 2 nines are. So 2 fours are 8 decimal, then 2 fives. 4.5 meter is the altitude or height. That is the answer. Okay. Now the next question. The two sides of a parallelogram ABCD are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter as shown in the figure. The height corresponding to the base CD is 3 centimeter. Find 1. The area of the parallelogram to the height corresponding to base AD. The diagram is like this, given in the question. A, B, C, D. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So, and the height corresponding to the base CD is this is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the height corresponding to the base AD. Okay. This we have to find out. The area will remain same, isn't it? Area enclosed will remain same. So first we will find out area is equal to base into height. So this height is 3 centimeter and the base is 6 centimeter. So area is base into height, that is equal to 6 into 3, that is equal to 18 centimeter square. So this is your answer 1. Okay. Now we have to find the height corresponding to the base AD. So 4 centimeter is AD. So, but the area will remain same. So, area is equal to 18 centimeter square and base is equal to AD is 4 centimeter. So, height corresponding to AD, height corresponding to AD will be area upon base, that is 18 upon 4. So 4 4s are 16, 2 remains decimal, 4 5s are 20. So 4.5 centimeter. This is your second answer. Clear? Now you do these sums as questions as homework, questions for practice. Find the area of a parallelogram with base with base 5 centimeter and altitude 4.2 centimeter. Question 2. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. Okay. Whose base is equal to 10 meter altitude is equal to 4.6 meter. Second, base is equal to 2 meter 20 centimeter. Altitude is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Find the height of a parallelogram if its area is 24 centimeter square and base is 4 centimeter. Okay. Next, find the area of parallelogram PQRS with the given data in the figure. The figure is PQRS. Okay. SR is 12 centimeter and QM is the perpendicular. Sorry. So QM is the perpendicular and that is given as QM 7.6 centimeter and the base PS is given as 12 centimeter. Okay, so we have to find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, and also we have to find if second question in the same, if RS is equal to 8 centimeter, find the corresponding height on RS. That is, if this is the corresponding height, say PT. So we have to find the corresponding height on RS. Okay. So you can find out the area of the parallelogram using the base and the height. 12 centimeter is the base, height is 27.6. The area will remain same. Only thing is now RS has changed. RS is 8 centimeter. So if you divide the area by RS, you will get the corresponding height. Right? So do these questions, solve these questions. First solve the previous questions which will revise your previous topic. Then learn the formula of the parallelogram that I have told you and solve these questions. Thank you children. I will start rhombus in the next class. Do take proper care. Be safe. God bless you children.